Hi guys, I'm here with my 1985 E30 325e to do a little car review. I was inspired by my friends Johnny Valencia and Amy Shackelford, who recently did a review on their own rides. There's a cool thing going around, review your ride. So I'm here today in a very empty parking lot, went for a little cruise with it, and I'm gonna show it off to you. It's all stock, almost all stock, but the only thing I've switched out is the stereo. So other than that, all original paint, original interior, super clean. So I'm just gonna basically go around and show off, you know, like how clean this thing is, and then let you guys know a little bit about how I maintain it, and then a little bit of, you know, the background on how I found it and all that. So we're gonna start with just the exterior. It's a single stage paint. It's really thin. When I got it, it was really thin. So I can't buff on it or anything like that. What I do is I like to hand wax it, and I'll use a high concentrate Carnauba. I like Swiss Fox, has really great pure stuff. And that's just to kind of give it like a layer of protection. It's hydrophobic as well. Kind of like a ceramic, you just apply it more often than a ceramic. And I actually opted not to ceramic coat this because it's so thin. The solvents in some ceramics, you risk kind of like stripping the paint in some areas. It's that thin, you guys. So let me show you guys the engine because I'm really proud of this. I actually could go in and clean it a little more, but I think I was gonna save it for an engine cleaning tutorial for you guys, just to show you how I maintain it, what to look out for. It's actually really easy to clean your own engine. So another video, I'll do that for you guys, but here it is. And because, you know, sometimes old cars die, we've got this little built-in jumper right there. On battery charger, 12 volt, 1.5 amp. It's not a very fast car. It's a cruiser. I live down by the beach, so you know, when I was looking for a car, I wanted a nice, like, fun car within my budget, you know. And a little bit about how I came across this car. I was looking for an E30 to modify, and I wasn't expecting to come across something this clean. I actually found it on Let Go, funny enough. It was at a mechanic shop, and he kind of reluctantly posted it up. Just, you know, I think his wife had told him to get rid of it. So he was like, all right, he posted it up, and then I came across it, and I was like, oh my gosh, can I see it, you know? And I actually have a book of receipts for every service that's been done to this car, and from the original purchase of the car, I have a receipt for the pinstripe as well. It's really cool. So I'll go to the back and take that out of the trunk. We'll take a look at the trunk as well, and I'll show you guys that. Here is the book I was telling you guys about. That's the original window sticker. And it's basically just a book of every service record, the original receipt, the receipt for the pinstriping, as I had mentioned, back to back in here, all organized by date. So I know everywhere this car's been, everything that's happened to it, and keeping up in the tradition, I am adding, you know, everything as I go along, all the service records and all of that. This is kind of cool. Color upholstery selections, and then the pamphlet, original 80s pamphlet. Lots of cool stuff that came included with this. And then, as you can see here, just taking a look in the trunk, we've got the original tools. And another cool thing about this car is it's got the trunk lights down in here, which are kind of unusual. Just cool little things here and there. So that's the review on my 1985 E30 325e. Thanks for watching. Take some time, review your own cars, post them up, and then hashtag ReviewYOC, review your own car, so you can share it with everyone. They'll share it with everyone as well. And stay safe, stay healthy.